The Knowledge Vault. Hello everyone, and welcome to the Knowledge Vault. Today, we are going to explore Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system. Jupiter is a gas giant, meaning it's mostly made up of gases like hydrogen and helium. It's so big that it could fit over 1,300 Earths inside of it. We'll learn about Jupiter's history, the missions that have sought to unveil its mysteries, and the amazing things we're still learning about it today. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to learn about this magnificent gas giant. Jupiter, how big is it? Imagine a planet that's 11 times wider than Earth and more than 300 times heavier. That's Jupiter. It's so big that it weighs more than all the other planets in our solar system combined. But why is Jupiter so big? Well, Jupiter formed early in the history of our solar system, when there was a lot of gas and dust floating around. Jupiter's gravity attracted all this material, and it started to grow rapidly. Jupiter is also big because it's made mostly of hydrogen and helium, which are the lightest elements in the universe. This means that Jupiter can be huge without being very dense. Jupiter's size is important for the rest of the solar system. Jupiter's gravity helps to keep the planets in their orbits, and it also helps to protect the inner worlds from comets and asteroids. Jupiter also has a powerful magnetic field, which helps to deflect harmful radiation from the Sun. Jupiter is truly an amazing planet. It's the biggest planet in our solar system, and it greatly impacts the rest of the system. Jupiter is a reminder of the power and majesty of the universe. Jupiter's dynamic atmosphere? Now, let's talk about Jupiter's atmosphere. It's mostly made of hydrogen and helium, but it's the beautiful cloud bands and powerful storms that make it so interesting. The most famous storm on Jupiter is the Great Red Spot. It's a giant storm that's been raging for hundreds of years. It's so big that it could fit 300 Earths inside of it. Scientists are still trying to figure out what causes these storms and cloud bands. But they think that they're caused by the heat and pressure inside Jupiter's atmosphere. The Great Red Spot is thought to be caused by a jet stream of air that's moving at different speeds than the rest of the atmosphere. This creates a vortex, or whirlpool, which is what the Great Red Spot is. Jupiter's storms and cloud bands can give us insights into how planetary atmospheres work. By studying these features, we can learn more about how atmospheres form, evolve, and interact with each other. The magnetic marvel Jupiter's magnetosphere? Jupiter has a magnetic field that is 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This makes it the strongest magnetic field in our solar system. Jupiter's magnetic field is generated by the movement of liquid metal in the planet's core. This liquid metal is made up of hydrogen and helium, which are the lightest elements in the universe. Jupiter's magnetic field is so strong that it creates a region around the planet called the magnetosphere. The magnetosphere is filled with charged particles that are trapped by the magnetic field. Jupiter's magnetosphere is so powerful that it can deflect harmful radiation from the Sun. This protects Jupiter and its moons from the damaging effects of radiation. Scientists are still trying to learn more about how Jupiter's magnetic field works. But they think that it plays an important role in the planet's atmosphere and climate. Jupiter's magnetic field is also a challenge for spacecraft. The charged particles in the magnetosphere can damage spacecraft electronics. However, scientists are developing new technologies to protect spacecraft from the harsh environment around Jupiter. Moons of Jupiter. Galilean gems? Jupiter has over 80 moons, but the most famous ones are the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. Galileo Galilei discovered these moons in 1610. The Galilean moons are special because they are very different from each other. Io is the most volcanically active object in the solar system. It has over 400 active volcanoes, and it erupts all the time. Europa is covered in a thick layer of ice. Scientists think that there is an ocean of liquid water under the ice. This ocean could be a place where life could exist. Ganymede is the largest moon in the solar system. It is even bigger than Mercury. Ganymede has a magnetic field, which is very rare for a moon. Callisto is the most distant Galilean moon. It is also the oldest and most heavily cratered. Scientists think that Callisto could have a subsurface ocean as well. The Galilean moons are important because they can help us learn about the formation and evolution of moons and planets. They can also help us learn about the possibility of life beyond Earth. Past and present exploration of Jupiter? Over the years, many spacecraft have visited Jupiter. Some of the most famous missions include Pioneer, Voyager, and Juno. Pioneer and Voyager were the first spacecraft to visit Jupiter. They helped us learn a lot about the planet's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons. Juno is currently orbiting Jupiter. It has been studying the planet since 2016. Juno has made many important discoveries about Jupiter, including Jupiter's atmosphere is much deeper than we thought. Jupiter has a powerful magnetic field that is constantly changing. Jupiter's moons are even more interesting than we thought. Juno's mission is exceptional because it is the first spacecraft to orbit Jupiter in a polar orbit. This allows Juno to study the planet's poles, which are very different from the rest of the planet. Juno has also been able to study Jupiter's atmosphere in more detail than any other spacecraft. This has helped us to learn more about how Jupiter's atmosphere works and how it interacts with the planet's magnetic field. Juno is still orbiting Jupiter, and it is continuing to make new discoveries. Scientists are excited to see what Juno learns about Jupiter in the years to come. The future of Jupiter exploration? There are many exciting new missions to Jupiter planned for the future. Scientists are designing missions that will study Jupiter's atmosphere, magnetic field, and moons in more detail than ever before. One of the most exciting missions is the Europa Clipper. The Europa Clipper will launch in 2024 and will arrive at Europa in 2030. The Europa Clipper will study Europa's ice crust, its subsurface ocean, and its atmosphere. Scientists are particularly interested in Europa's subsurface ocean. They think that this ocean could be a place where life could exist. Another exciting mission is the Jupiter Icy Moons Explorer, JUICE. The JUICE spacecraft will launch in 2023 and will arrive at Jupiter in 2031. The JUICE spacecraft will study Ganymede, Callisto, and Europa. Scientists are particularly interested in Ganymede's magnetic field and Callisto's icy crust. These are just a few of the many exciting missions to Jupiter that are planned for the future. Scientists are eager to learn more about Jupiter and its moons. They think that Jupiter could hold the key to understanding how planets form and how life could arise in other parts of the universe. Jupiter's cosmic significance? We have come to the end of our journey to explore Jupiter, the giant planet. Jupiter is more than just a big ball of gas, it is a cosmic mystery that continues to fascinate us and inspire scientific exploration. Jupiter reminds us of the many wonders of the universe and our never-ending quest for knowledge. Thank you for joining us on this amazing journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cosmic adventures right here on the Knowledge Vault. Until next time, may the mysteries of the universe continue to guide us. Thanks for watching.